Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today is Vlogmas day 3. So far, so good. I am keeping up with this. I am proud of myself. It is definitely a lot harder than I expected, especially since I feel like my life is boring. So I'm trying to really find things to do, although as you can see from these past couple of vlogs, there hasn't been much. But anyways, we're already up, had breakfast. He had his first nap of the day. He is up now. I am going to go ahead and make him lunch. I'm gonna make him something just really quick and easy. I'm gonna make him a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. So that is what we're gonna do. And then probably just do a little bit of cleaning around the house because it definitely needs it. I've been a little lazy or just slacking off when it comes to that since Thanksgiving, and who knew that a little 1-year-old could make such a mess in his play area? And then of course, I made my own mess. So definitely need to clean that up. But of course, as always, before we continue with this vlog, make sure you are subscribed to my channel and hit that bell button. That way you are notified every time I upload a new video, which for the month of December is going to be every day. So you don't want to miss out. Let's get the rest of this vlog going. What are you having for lunch, Papa? You want to tell them? Peanut butter, and jelly. Yummy, huh? So this is what we're eating for lunch. Well, he's eating for lunch. Peanut butter and jelly. I'm just cutting them up in squares. I'm actually cutting these squares in half also because they were just a little bit too big for him. Yeah? Yeah? Bravo! Bravo! You gonna do bravo? No? You were just doing it. What if I do it with you? Bravo! Yay! Good job. Come on, finish. Hey! Well, can you give it to me then? Can I have some? Good job. Thank you for sharing. Ya no tienes. Yummy. ¿Quieres agua? ¿Agua? Okay. ¿No quieres agua? I'm gonna have agua. Do you want that? Do you want any more of your sandwich? You want more? No more? Hey. Just say no, okay? No. So as you can see, he's done with lunch. But he actually ate pretty good. He ate a whole half, which technically is like a whole slice of bread, with peanut butter and jelly. He had some water. He had a little bit of that second half of it, but he's full. Do you want to tell them? We gotta clean your face and your hands. Okay. Alright, let me get him cleaned up. Give me this one. You ready? 1, 2, 3, woo! Woo! All done? All done. So now we're just gonna go ahead and play for a little bit. So, you ready to go play? Alright, so now that I have been playing in his play area, I'm actually going to go ahead and take advantage of this moment and go ahead and finish cleaning up the rest of the house. I did want to head out today, but yeah, I just have a lot of cleaning to do. So we're actually going to go ahead and stay in. I'm going to let him play, watch a little bit of cartoons while I go ahead and just clean up. So this is going to be another clean with me video. I'm so sorry, you guys, but I actually personally like watching clean with me videos. It definitely gives you a little bit of motivation to just kind of get off your butt and go ahead and do what you know you have to do. I know sometimes we all get in these little funks where it's just like you're just tired, you're overwhelmed. The weather definitely doesn't help, but I hope this inspires you to go ahead and just clean up your space that you've been wanting to clean or just been putting off. In yesterday's video, as you saw, I cleaned my son's nursery, and it just felt so freaking good to walk in there and just see everything in its place. So now I just want to go ahead and just start off the rest of the week with a clean house. That way when I do leave and I come back, I'm coming back to a clean, put together home instead of coming in and seeing the mess and just feeling overwhelmed, and it just gives me anxiety to see the house like this. So that is what we're gonna do today. And you guys are just gonna clean with me. I promise there are going to be other things in these upcoming vlogs, so definitely just stick with me. But yeah, let me just go ahead and change my clothes. I don't wanna clean the rest of the house in my pajamas. Cleaning his room in my pajamas was not a big deal. It's a small room, but the rest of my house, even though it's not big, I don't really want to sweat like that in them. So let me just go ahead and change, and let's get this freaking house in order. I'm so tired. I feel like this vlog is gonna be hella long, even though it's gonna be super sped up. I'm gonna try to cut it short a little bit, but I mean, my house is not big, as you can see. It's a very open concept. but it's still a lot of work. And then with a little one who is all over the place, I cleaned his play area and it's already starting to get messy again, but I mean, that's how it goes when you have a little kid. I do clean it up every time after he goes to bed because it just gives me anxiety to see it there. And his toys make it all the way over here by the couches, so last night my husband tripped on one of his toys, so yeah. But that is it for today's vlog. I'm actually just gonna go ahead and relax for a little bit before I get started on our dinner. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this brings some motivation to someone. It feels so good to see my house clean, and I know tomorrow we've got some things we have to do. So when I come home, I will be coming home to relax and spend time with my child and not have to worry about cleaning, and it just starts the week off really good. I don't know if you guys feel that way. Obviously you guys are seeing this like later in the week than I'm actually doing it, but it feels so good. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure the notifications are on so that you continue. Hi, Bubba. That way you are notified every time I upload a new video. Yeah, tell them to subscribe. Tell them subscribe to my mommy's channel. That way you can see more of me too. Hold on. That's my foot. You don't put subscribe. Subscribe. No. That's my shoe's dirty. But anyways, yes, definitely subscribe. Hit that like button. And we will see you guys in our next video. Bye.